Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I don't have a video tutorial. What I have is let me say a decor tutorial. This is a tutorial I made with Yan, and I had this project. This one I had for I did like 2 years ago, and I wanted to show you guys. It's a bit dirty, but then you can just like clean it with a washcloth and then soap, and you're good to go. So this time around, I'm using a plastic box. So you can use it on any shape, anything you feel like you want to hide. You can always use this idea, especially for that round thing. It was a moon, like those moonlight bulbs, and it actually got spoiled. So I the only option was for me to throw it away, but then I figured, okay, you know what, instead of throwing it away, let me just do something to it. And then I wrapped the yarn around it, and it's been a decor piece in my home for like I said, 2 years now. So I've had this piece of yarn left like the whole time, and I didn't know what to do with it. But I have this plastic box, which initially was in a closet, but then I figured, you know what, now I want to put it out. I want to put it like make it visible to be able to see, and then put stuff inside, in my living room. So I decided to do the same thing with this as well. So it's pretty easy, but then you have to be careful since the hot glue is quite hot, and you have to make sure you're putting everything close to each other so you don't get to see any spaces in between and all of that. So you want to apply the glue a few times, wrap it around a few times without the glue, and then you go in with glue again. So you don't have to do glue the entire project. If not, you may possibly run out of glue, or like I don't know, it's just gonna look messy because sometimes the glue bleeds a little onto the project. So make sure you glue maybe the starting, the middle, and then the end of it. Okay. So for the final yarn, what I did was at the end of the yarn, because I couldn't tack it under anything, I had to go in with what's it called, a lot of the glue on top of it to sort of prevent it from fraying and coming apart. So you guys are gonna see it now. And luckily the leftover yarn was actually enough to complete the entire what's it called box, which I found quite surprising. Okay, so this yarn I got from China Mall. If you get the same thing and maybe you're doing like a smaller box than I am, you could probably get 2 uses out of it. Or if you're doing it to wrap around smaller things, then you can actually get a lot of uses out of it. So yeah, this is the last piece. So what I'm going to do is to just put some glue on all over it to, hide the ends of the yarn. And that's the video, guys. So if you guys like things like this, let me know so I can start adding DIY stuff to my channel as well. And hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do so. If you like this short video, please make sure you hit the like button as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.